Good afternoon to all of you. Today we start topic scanty baggage. Refers to the situation when a guest arrives with where with very little luggage or no luggage at all, which can raise security concern. The front office must be alert and handle such cases carefully. The first point is initial screen. If a guest arrives with no luggage or unusually scant baggage, the front office staff should be tentative and ask no instructive question to understand the situation. The guest with scant baggage may be tourist staying for a brief period, or they may have come for a nearby location, but they could also be engaged in specious activity. The staff should observe behaviors like nervousness or unusual pattern of movement. The next point is documentation and recording. In some cases, the guest with scant baggage should be carefully documented. The front desk staff should record details such as when and where the guest arrived and whether they are expecting additional luggage to be delivered. The next is coordination with housekeeping and security. If a guest with scant baggage that behaves suspiciously, the front office should alert housekeeping and security staff to monitor the room for any unusual activity such as presence of unfamiliar person or reported unreported delivery. If a guest with second baggage refuses to disclose the reason for minimal luggage, staff should be cautious and alert security, who may conduct further investigation. The next point is handling late luggage arrivals. If a guest later receives additional luggage and were delivered to the front office desk, the front office should check to ensure it is properly logged and that a guest is informed about the delivery. This prevents the possibility of mistaken baggage claims or miscellaneous activity involving hidden or unauthorized person. Thank you everyone. Today topic is over. If you like our content, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIT Academics.